Go on. Get it.
Viral video UK shows us dogs just want to be like man.
Get it. Get it.
Oh, that's a perfect helper. Okay.
It really is so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that dog does not want to give up. That dog in a tug-of-war. Will it be the dog? Will it be the trunk of that tree?
Go on, you're nearly there. Go on. Yes.
Yes.
Yay!
At first I was like, that dog's gonna let loose and go rolling. Not that kind of video.
Yeah.
John Deere, except it works for treats.
Go on. Yes.
Yay! Good boy.
These dogs aren't pulling out trees, but
Did he end and sit back?
they are emerging for the first time. This is from the Kruger Sightings channel on YouTube, and this is at the Ngala Game Reserve, and these wild dogs are coming out of that den for the first time. I don't know how many litters there are. We do see one mama right there full of milk, and all these babies coming out.
That's a lot. What a huge litter of dogs.
And it's so cute. Look at how cute they are.
Here comes the runt.
Oh my god.
There's one that is the runt of the litter, and you see that one kind of nudged out of the way, but that one still fights to try to get food and toys and attention from the adults.
Aw, that is adorable.
Yo. He's definitely not getting his share of the milk and the food, eh?